Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I wanted to create a quick video discussing the thornodes project. There's a lot of updates that have happened. They basically had a 4-hour AMA session yesterday, and there was a lot of information packed into that, but I just wanted to briefly discuss what are the major changes. So basically the main changes are how the Thor nodes are basically going to have a slower return rate. They're going to be reducing the rewards amount for each node, and there was a lot of changes that had happened. So basically today this was discussed that they had seen that the community had views on what they wanted to do, and I'm just going to walk through the breakdown. So basically the Hemdall, the cost of each node will basically stay the same, and they wanted to reduce the reward amount to basically keep the project lasting a lot longer. They have a long-term vision for them, and I think this is a great strategy to go ahead and implement because I'd want to see this last for years and see if we can have a really good opportunity of making passive income rather than burning the whole liquidity pool within the project and everyone pulling out and stuff like that. So anyway, let's go ahead. So the Hemdall, your daily reward amount will actually be bumped up by 0.003%, so you're getting 0.008 Thor a day. Your daily ROI will be 0.64%, and then the claim tax will be 1%. And they're going to be introducing monthly fees. So instead of doing that tax reduction system that they had, they're going to be kind of doing what Strongblocks is doing with their monthly fees, but the monthly fees are going to be staying stable, and I like how they aren't going to be as much. So for the Hemdall, it'll be $5 stable. The Freya, you're going to be getting 0.05 daily, 0.8% daily ROI, claim tax fee if you were to pull out early, 5%, stable fee $10. With the Thor, instead of getting 0.33 per day, you're basically getting cut in half, which almost 0.15 per day, so that's totally fine. The monthly fee will be $20, and the Odin, you're still going to be getting a pretty hefty sum, but it was almost like 3 Thor a day that you were getting, but now it's going to be dropped to 1. The tax fee will be 10%, and then to keep the monthly maintenance fee up, it's going to be $80, which really isn't that bad. So originally they gave people a 10 days notice before they were going to make this change, but they decided to kind of stagger out when they're going to be doing these updates. So for the Odin, it'll be February 8th when they plan on reducing it. The Thor, February 14th, Freya, February 24th, and Hemdall, March 1st. So they gave a little breakdown here, basically, the whole breakdown of each node, which is really good. And then they say here, they wanted to make these changes come into effect because they're paying 80% of what Strong pays out with their 270,000 nodes, whereas Thor only has 77,000 nodes. And this is a really good plan because the Thor nodes have gained massive traction where people have been buying a lot, and they have doubled within the past couple of days. So I really see that this strategy is really good. So that is it. You can go on their Discord, kind of look at the papers on what they plan to implement, when the rates will change and all that stuff. So this is really good news that they want to keep the project lasting a lot longer, and I totally agree with it personally because I'd rather see this go ahead and last as many years as possible. So they are very transparent and open, which I really like, and they give the community a heads up, and they're really taking the community feedback seriously. So this is really good change. So yeah, guys, this is a very quick down and dirty video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.